All right, guys, this worksheet is on the personification. So the instruction says, read each of the sentences below. If the sentence includes an example of personification, underline it and write true on the line. If there is no personification in the sentence, write false. So number 1 says, the windows whispered as the wind buffeted against them. If it is personification, write true and underline what is being personified. And if it is not personification, write false. Number 2 says, the Pop-Tart leaped out of the toaster to greet me. If it is personification, write true and underline what is being personified. If it is not personification, write false. Number 3, the community established a grassroots effort to combat the big oil company polluting its river. You can always rewind if you need to hear it again. Number 4, the black screen of the computer challenged me to bring it to life. Number 5, the river strolled through town, stopping here and there to pull and visit with the neighbors. Number 6, Stephen is like a dog with a bone when he gets a new idea. I think it's supposed to say, Stephen is like a dog with a bone when he gets a new idea. Number 7, those jeans are begging to be washed. Number 8, the clock taunted me, telling me that I was almost out of time and nowhere near finished with my test. Number 9, that couch is huge and out of place, like a whale in a waiting pool. Number 10, Patrick paused to pursue the plants. Let me try that again. Number 10 says, Patrick paused to peruse the plants at the greenhouse. Peruse means to look and to search. So that was part 1. Part 2 is the bottom part of the worksheet. It says each sentence below contains personification. Underline the personification in the sentence. Then complete the table by identifying who or what is being personified and what the human characteristic is. The first one is done for you. So, number 11 says, I was exhausted, but my skateboard was calling me. Just a few minutes, it promised. So the person or object being personified is the skateboard. And the human characteristic that was given to the skateboard is calling and promising. The skateboard was calling and it promised. Number 12 says, the chili attacked me with its spicy sauce. So what object is being personified? And what human characteristic is being given to it? Number 13 says, the mailbox refused to keep its mouth closed and spit the mail out all over the lawn. So what is being personified and what did it do? Number 14 says, the air conditioner let out a lazy sigh and began to crank out cold air. So that is the end of the personification worksheet.